Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's been a bit of a long winter hiatus here, but you know how it goes in Maine, the old frozen shithole Hoth. So right here in the shop, starting to rain, melt some snow. Got the Honda Magna out here. This is the 83 750. This is in here because of the starter. Completely blew out on me. I will put a picture up here somewhere and show the intestines of that. The the brush is completely disintegrated. It was ridiculous. I pulled that thing off and just a pile of dust and just absolutely disgusting. So I'm going to flip this around here real quick maybe. So I'm going to try and get you guys set up here, and I'm going to install this starter, and hopefully we can get this thing to at least turn over. I got to do a compression test on this to see if I feel like I have a dead cylinder in here for some reason. So I got to do a compression test. I'll take you guys along with the ride for that, and well, let's get moving. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but I'm laying down on the ground right now. And if you can't see, then I guess I really don't know what to tell you. Here, SOL. Shoot, how did I get this? Really don't want to pull the filter off, but I might have to. Nope, okay. I think I might have it. There we go, okay. I gotta put some oil on this O-ring first. Kinda forgot to do that. Oh, shoot. Rookie move. Forget to put oil on your O-ring. Who does that shit? Alright. So hopefully, last time I uploaded a video, I guess this is over a year ago, I was doing a bit of a tool rebuild. Had the radio cranked up in the shop, and it was not only Facebook but Instagram as well. Was not very happy, and they took it down and removed the audio and this and that. Copyright this and that. It's like, it really sucks that some of us guys can't come out here, work in the shop, and record it, and show some of you guys, how to do this stuff that I've never done it before, or just coming out to the shop and having some general sort of tomfuckery and drink a beer and tell a joke or two or whatever, and you show me a guy that goes out into the shop and doesn't have the friggin' radio on, man, I tell you, it's just, hopefully the radio in here is quiet enough. Alright, something's not quite lining up here. Jeez. Shoot. Maybe you guys can see my little radio battery setup for trying to boost these things. Okay, I guess it's just the shoot. Guess I probably should have put a coat of oil on the inside of that, huh? But, that's why we do stuff like this. And I'm sure there's probably somebody out there right now that's done this 1,000 times and is like, you know, I've probably done 8,000 things wrong already, but you know something? You're more than welcome to come out here and do this for me. Again, I apologize. I am recovering from pneumonia right now, so I was laid up in bed for a solid week and a half, and last week I was only able to work probably not even 8 hours that last week, and this week I'm starting to finally feel a little better, but man, I'm telling you what, it is just not, she's just not budging too well for me. Oh, come on. Alright. Just got... Come on. I know you're going into your home just a little bit. Just not enough. Shoot. Let me grab a little... excuse me. A little bit of persuasion, huh? See if this will work. Squish that up into there, maybe. Maybe use this like some leverage. She in? Almost. Not quite. Jeez, come on. Don't want to use. Oh, screw it. Someday somebody's going to see this and just lose their shit. Get a little bit of leverage on that. There we go. Yeah, that's a little better. That's more betterer. Of course, I'm probably blocking the camera off. Oh, there we go. Almost got my thumb stuck in there. That'd have been real bad. Alright. Get some light in here, huh? Maybe? So close yet so far. Jeez. I don't have any light with me, and of course I'm using my cell phone right now to record, so you guys. Alright, so I gotta bring you guys back after I gotta use my cell phone flashlight here. I'll bring you guys back after I get this thing in, screwed in. Alright, so we did get the starter in here. Actually, you know what? And I was down here on my back thinking about this, and I'm like, huh, you know that great big old video that I took? You know, I could have turned the light on. You guys could have seen. So, there's the new starter in. The oil filter does have to come out. What I had to do is I took this engine bolt. This goes to the Goldwing. Yeah, it's one of these. This bolt up here goes across the engine mounts of the frame. So what I did, I took this, just used it. Excuse me. Used it as a rod, went through there or wherever, and Gave her a couple of light tappy taps and seated that pupper right in. Have no issues after that. So what I need to do now, gotta hook up my jumper box. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alright, so you go here. And when I do this, I like to kind of set that in there. Just make sure she doesn't try to ground out on me, you know. Come on, go back to your home. Alright, put that on there. Should have, oh, keys off. Alright. Okay, good there. Let's see. Okay, something ain't right. Something is not right here at all. This freaking... This has been giving me issues. I know that. It'll work sometimes and then sometimes it won't. To be honest with you, I really have not figured out why. Because the starter wire goes, I mean, it just goes through the solenoid. Check the solenoid. Maybe I'll just give her a tappy tap, huh? Maybe the solenoid's not working right. Yeah, I guess I could help if you guys could see, huh? Let's try this again. Nope, nothing. So, where did they go? Yep, alright. So, chuck battery. I don't know if this is because of the way I had the jumper cables, but... So, I took the battery from the Goldwing. Came with the Goldwing. Just hook it up, you know, direct. And, man, it works way better. Still don't have any oil in it, so I'm not going to go crazy, but... As you can tell, that's way better. So I'm going to write this starter off as a win. We're going to get some oil in it. I'll probably go to the store today, get some oils, tighten everything back up. Should have the, well, I got everything put back together. So I'm going to button this thing up, go to the store, get some oil, and maybe I can get this thing to fire by the end of the day. And so I was going through this video footage from yesterday, last night, and I realized for like the entirety, well, almost the entirety, but yeah, a good chunk of it anyways, I had my finger over the microphone, so it's like here for a good portion of it. You know, I apologize for that. Not used to using this still camera, so I'll go in and do some text over or whatever, you know. But I'll try and work on that in the future. Anyways, thanks for visiting the alley. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out. Alright, y'all. We got us a runner. Little uppity on the throttle, but oh yeah.